E-commerce offers students a great opportunity to earn significant income while managing their studies. Let's explore how to make $3,000 a month. Students can make $3,000 a month by creating and scaling an online store. Focus on dropshipping or selling digital products. The best e-commerce models for students include dropshipping, handmade goods, digital products, and print on demand. To reach $3,000 per month, students might need to commit 15 to 20 hours a week. This includes product research, setup, marketing, and customer service. Ideal platforms for students to start include Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, WooCommerce, and eBay. Key strategies include product research, effective marketing via social media, optimizing conversions, and building an email list. While some students may scale to $3,000 per month in 3 to 6 months, results vary based on strategy and effort. Challenges include time management, initial investment, competition, and the need for marketing skills. Students can overcome these challenges by staying updated on trends, using free tools, and outsourcing tasks when necessary. E-commerce provides an excellent chance for students to earn a significant income. With dedication and smart marketing, the potential for growth is immense.